goodness, look at the snow.
Hey guys, welcome to the brand new year of 2024 and also welcome back to another brand new vlog in this channel. So as you can see, we welcome 2024, the brand new year, with a rather huge snowstorm, but we really enjoyed it. It is so called also the first snow that we had in Boston. January is definitely my most favorite month of the year because it's my birthday month. So we had a very cozy birthday celebration at Tora, Japanese. The sushis there are very good, and I ordered also my most favorite unagi rice bowl. We had really a wonderful night there. Then we fast forward to February. On the first weekend of the month, we decided to lunch at the smoke shop. It's our first time here and we both think that this restaurant is really good and worth the price. So we ordered the combo set, which comes with beef brisket, pork ribs and pulled pork.
This is quite good.
The price is pretty reasonable too.
Oh my god, beautiful sunset.
On the second day of Chinese New Year, we finally visited this Lakon Paris. I've heard a lot of good reviews about their croissant and this patisserie, and I wanted to try it for the longest time. We ordered this pistachio mascarpone croissant. It is really good. Just the price is a little bit on the higher end, but I think it's really worth it, as it is also not overly sweet. Okay, it's lunchtime, so we decided to lunch in this Food Chunchi, which is a brand new opening restaurant in the Boston Chinatown. We have really good view outside, watching all the lion dance performances. We ordered the braised beef noodles and also a shrimp fried rice for sharing. I think the food overall is pretty decent, okay, and the price is also okay. It's dessert time, so we are trying out this Burdick. We have been hearing a lot of good reviews about their hot chocolate. The hot chocolate is very rich, yeah. And we ordered also this mocha cake. I personally love this mocha cake a lot. I love the layering of the milk and the chocolate. The quality is really good. Hey, good morning, happy Saturday and happy Chop Gourmet. So today is the last day of Chinese New Year, and we are gonna do something really interesting. We are gonna throw eggs. Yeah, so I got this as a birthday gift from my girls in the UK. Speaking about my birthday, this is also a birthday gift from Fai. It's my first Emirates product. It's a mini pop H with the dark green color, and I really loved it. And I'm really looking forward. I did it once in company event a few years ago, and haven't been doing it for so long. So I'm really looking forward, very excited. And before that, of course, we're gonna have lunch first at Bao Market. So let's go. It's pretty cold here, but it's too cold today, so we couldn't eat outdoor. So we're gonna go for a Korean restaurant instead. Lunch of the day. ordered the spicy seafood noodle, which is really really good, and also a sundubu soup with rice. This is truly a hidden gem in Union Square. Everything we had is really really good and delicious. Very authentic Korean restaurant. After lunch, we're gonna go for the axe throwing. It's just next door. Very, very excited. Let's go.
Wow!
It's Teazzi's grand opening today, so we got buy one, get one. Our favorite Chipotle for dinner. Okay, we just done our dinner. It's super super cold today. Whew. Good night, Boston. Lunch of the day. I made tomato eggs, broccoli and mushroom with spam and rice. Bon appetit! Hey, happy Sunday! So we are currently going for grocery shopping. It's super super cold today. Ooh. Here we are, Market Basket. We usually perform the major grocery shopping once per week in this Market Basket. I really love coming to Market Basket. It makes me feel so good. Yeah. Hot and spicy.
Just a rainy Monday, sitting at our table. 2 cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone till Sunday, everything's unstable.